Hello, guys. Welcome to XM live trading session in the advanced room. It's time for Guess the Trade session with me. My name is Junaid Vahid, and the other expert will be Stanislav Kolev as always. But before we start talk about the session and the markets, I would like to say a huge hello. Happy Friday, Stanley. How are you doing?
Hi, Juni. Very good to see you. Doing pretty good. Finally had some time to exercise today and feel great. Weather is beautiful. Spend the morning outside and look forward to trade absolutely everything with you for the whole 1 hour. Actually, I also made a invitation to the community to join us and even challenge us with more instruments. Everything is great. Can't complain. Looking to trade with you. And how have you been doing?
Doing great. Thank you very much. Watched the markets, checked the instruments this morning, reevaluated the new drama, and we'll see how things will go and escalate, and looking forward for new trading opportunities. What we do this session?
We trade, as I said, absolutely everything that viewers bring in the chat. That's gonna be currencies, commodities, European stocks, cryptocurrencies, you guys name it. And me and Juni will be obliged
Traded.
to execute a position. One of us has the screen, in this case is Juni. So I will be trading first, and then the row flip. Juni have to guess as much as possible information about the position, entry exit strategy, trade management, if it's a swing or intraday.
I don't hear you.
Can you hear me now?
Now I hear you. Yeah.
Yeah, it's Teams thing sometimes happens also. Um, Juni will have to guess as much as possible information about this position, and then the row flip. I share the screen, show whether this is true or not, and um, then I have to guess his position. We do this from this moment on up until the end of the session. So, guys, don't hesitate. Just be super, super active, and we'll do look forward to be trading everything, really, really everything. Just bring it on. Just bring it on. Let me see. Jack is already here. Hi, Jack. Good morning. Good morning, Stan and Juni. Welcome on board. Instruments. Boyki. Good morning, Juni and Stan. Very good morning, Boyki. Welcome. Good to see you. Instruments. And is the dollar up because of Israel and Iran? Um, we got some overnight dollar strength, which was not really something too um, trend changing, let's say. But generally, yes, everything um, that's considered being a safe haven to some extent was going up. Gold was up, Swiss franc was up, US dollar, and Japanese yen. So all three of those instruments have seen significant momentum for a period of time, and then since then nothing much. The biggest performer it is oil. Oil absolutely blastly skyrocketed. If I close my position, actually the market stopped me out on oil and was not able to catch the move, but this was absolute blast. There were speculation that Israel hit refineries and power plants. We'll see how much of that information is a reality. I didn't follow since 7 o'clock in the morning, so I maybe if Juni have some update on what is the fact check there. Uh, yeah. So
Um, in the wartime, fact checks are, I don't know how accurate. It's just what is important is that Israel hit Iran, and this tension is on the Middle East, which immediately will mean it's bullish. Yesterday on the sessions, I actually had almost full session about it, that I bought oil, gold, everything because of this, and they were my best trades, oil and gold. Literally, they skyrocketed. I did not expect basically the hit to happen. I was saying that it will happen. For me was for sure if Israel is involved, because they usually don't warn without backup. And I was very confident, as I said also yesterday, that the war will start, but I was thinking that it's not going to be soon. For that case, I cannot sell oil. I'm generally bullish on oil. I said that if oil goes sub 60, I will be the first one to buy oil significantly every swing. I lost confidence on this preparation of mine due to completely different reasons that were driving the markets. And I was buying oil swing by swing, but I was not buying hold from the dips. And the tension in the world is pro safe haven instruments, and oil is one. Um, so that's why I bought it. I said the downside, I don't see anything related to the downside for oil. Just slower demand on the declining economy and maybe higher inflation, um, and interest rates staying high, for example, higher supply and stuff like this. That might be short term still bearish for oil, but bigger picture for me, it's big, bullish oil plus risks of this escalation of the wars in Middle East. It came very fast. Like that was quite unexpected. Like yesterday we've talked, and today we have hit. This is a little bit crazy for me. How today everything can escalate in no time. I was thinking that it will take couple of months of negotiation, at least weeks, and back and forward. But at the end, it happened so fast. That was crazy. What I saw that US is pulling back their important personals, which means that war is preparing to start. So they knew it, that is going to be so fast, and it happened. Good that I managed to enter with all of the followers. We discussed it in detail. I hope you guys capitalized on it. If not, next time. um, why I'm bullish on gold and oil? Because if oil goes up, this is risking inflation, this is risking more economic problems. When we have more economic problems, the first to search is gold. So they are kind of connected commodities. And it opens a lot of trading opportunities also for currencies, maybe also for some stocks, risk on, risk off, and also sector related and safe havens. And so we saw bond market jumped up and yields declined earlier today, which means money flew to the bonds also. And gold bond, they actually gained, and energy. Uh, other than that, I don't have any other information. I don't think that I will check something that I don't need at all, just out of curiosity, most probably. For the markets, what they hit, it doesn't matter for me. What matters is that the Middle East tension increases. If it slows down, because there is another statistics looking back, that conflicts in Middle East are sharp, fast, and ends fast usually. And if it ends fast, if Iran says, you know what, okay, let's negotiate, sorry, let's have a deal, boom, everything changes that moment. All the gains, everything on gold, oil will be back, I think. But if they escalate, I think they might escalate. There is little chance first wave to be more escalation, second wave to be the cool down, in my opinion. Why I expect first wave to be more escalation? Because if they would not escalate it, they will get the deal before the get hit. They also knew that they will get hit. Um, and if they didn't step back and get the deal done, I think they are prepared. So they might also increase the uncertainty in the region as they promised, which is going to be very bullish for oil and gold if it happens. but the time will show only. I am hesitant. I'm keeping an eye on what Iran will do as a answer. If they answer with counterattack, then oil and gold are gonna be very bullish. But if they don't, I think oil and gold are gonna drop.
Jeff is also tuning in. Hi, Jeff. Welcome on board. We got the Palladium first instrument from Boyki, who is giving Palladium, oil, Bitcoin, cable. Palladium, I got the trade.
So Stanley's trading palladium.
Gerhard tuning in also. Thank you for being here. Welcome on board. And euro dollar. Euro dollar. This is from Boyk still. And Gerhard, US 2000 and Bitcoin. Week for the day. How would you trade it? Let's see.
I think Stanley's buying palladium. I think he's buying 1 hour chart, stop below the low, 2%. That could I don't think this is expensive. Can we use low risk here? Oh, yeah, we can use low risk. This is the trade that he's taking. He's buying with target higher high, stop loss below the current 1 hour bottoms, and target is for the previous structure high or 1 point, no, 1130, 1150, 1130, 1160, something like this.
I don't see the graph from all that indicators. What have you done there?
What a beautiful professional looking chart.
Holy cow. Where is the graph? I don't see it.
Who needs graph? Look at how many indicators I have, how beautiful and colorful they are.
Wow. Yeah, that's something new.
Even if I go like this, it's gonna look even more professional. That's how probably beginner traders are trading, guys, to become professional. I say you are buying, stop below 1 hour low, and previous structure high is the first target, and the higher high is the second target. Feel free
Yeah.
to share. We have rising volume, rising.
Boyke is saying, I wanted to say that as well, like Junior, why? Just for fun, supposedly.
Eh, tell me it's not. It doesn't look good, guys. Huh? Look at how colorful, how interesting it is.
How meaningless, how it's never been like tested together, like 52 things. I got one friend, he's like for a few years he's getting into trading. He used to be more of a crypto gambler. And I was like,
Crypto
what?
gambler.
Yes, on 50x leverage and stuff like this. And I just asked him, man, what are you? I mean, what's your age? What are you following to give you the information? I follow everything. I follow everything. You should just pickily choose something that looks good, create some bias in the head, and execute. So, Juni is right. I have a long. We didn't have very solid reaction on palladium. I'm bullish on this and platinum too. I like that one. thumbs up, congrats, easy one. There is no sell signal too.